Hello, my name is Yuri. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import products for your sales catalog using the Quick Import Excel macro provided by Oracle. You start by downloading the macro from My Oracle Support. Next, open the file and make sure macros are enabled. Now let's populate the macro with the units of measure you set up for your products. Enter the host name, which you can copy from the URL, the username, password, and click Submit. The product type worksheet lists the product types provided by Oracle. You only need to fetch additional values if you made changes. Now let's start entering the product information. You enter the product number, which can be any combination of letters and numbers, the product name as it will appear in the catalog, and a text description. Enter the primary UOM. That's the default value that users see when entering the product in an opportunity or lead. Enter the product type. Enter Y in the Eligible to Sell column to make the product visible in the sales catalog. Entries in the last two columns are important only if you're integrating with Oracle Engagement Cloud. A value of Y in the Eligible for Service column enables service requests for the product. Entering a Y in the Enable Customer Self-Service column makes it possible for customers to see the product in their self-service portal. Notice that the macro makes sure that you haven't missed any of the required information. Now let's start the import by creating a file import activity. The sign-in information is the same, so I'll submit. You can check the import progress by clicking Activity Details. Clicking Refresh gets you the latest status. When the import is complete, you can retrieve a log of the items that were imported or sign into the application and check the products there. To check the products, I navigate to the Products work area and search on the first two letters of the product number. Here is one of the products. You can upload images manually for each product or import them as described in a separate tutorial. Thank you.